What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I know it's been a couple days, but I've been waiting for these parts for this road glide, man, and I can't wait no more, man. Our inner and outer fans should be here tomorrow, so I think I'm about to bust this thing down. I think I'm gonna call this bike here Black Widow, man. We done found so many like Black Widow spiders on this thing and have to like just rate them up, but you know, I think that's what we're gonna call this one, man. So without further ado, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2014 Road King right here or my 2020 Road Glide special. Meanwhile, our 2020 Road Glide is at Harley getting the brakes and stuff all situated and all good to go. So all we have right now here is our Road King and our Road Glide, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special or my 2014 Road King back here, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We got less than half of the hats sold out, man. So if you guys want a Harley at $100, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and copy your hat. Meanwhile, man, we're about to pull this Road Glide out, get this thing pretty much buzzed down and get it ready for paint. And by that time, our freaking interference should be here and stuff, so we should be good to go. So let's see. Alrighty, so we have our Road Glide here, man. Like I said, it's been numerous Black Widow spiders on this thing, like at least 3 or 4 I didn't found so far and had to get off, but you know, no big deal. We'll call this one Black Widow. I think that's going to be a name, real nice name for this. Trying something a little different with this, I think, so far. I don't know, we'll see how it goes in the end, but right now I think I got a color scheme on mine. I was going to do something a little bit crazier, but I think I'm gonna hold off on that one, so we'll see. So as I'm like busting this bike down, this is what I've been dreading to do, because I know when I bust it down, I was gonna find some more spiders. And just like I suspected, another Black Widow have to take down right now. That's 4 so far, for sure 4. So we gonna keep going, hoping we don't get bit, and hope for the best, man. So let's get it. And so now that we got that rear fender off, man, I'm telling you, that's where most of them was camping out. Because even when I was taking this rear fender off, we can get a close-up. Back up. Go on that side. You got another Black Widow down there. Trust me, it was huge. But after I done raided the thing, it got small. It looked like it's a nest or something right there as well. So yeah, man, this was definitely a breeding zone for these spiders, but this thing will be called Black Widow. Thank you. All right, man, now that we got our rear fender off, we got our gas tank off, everything looks pretty good to go. I didn't see any more spiders. Now, it might be some more and stuff in here, but so far, so good. So we got all our parts here that we're getting painted. Gotta just wash them off first, get the little spider webs and stuff off, but so far, so good. We got all our parts and stuff here ready to get painted. So gonna continue. We got to take off this one slider for this bike, and so we'll be able to get that thing painted and it'll look a lot better. So we'll see what's up. Alrighty, man, we done got our parts rinsed off. Got everything pretty much good to go. I'm gonna let this thing dry, or dry it up rather. Then we're gonna start taking the bags and the rear fender apart. And then we'll be that much closer to pretty much dropping this stuff off. We can probably drop everything off and just take the interferent up there because it is gonna take a minute anyway. So I don't know, we'll see though. Next morning here, guys, I don't see any more spider webs or nothing like that so far, man. We'll keep an eye on that. However, it's time to get our bags and stuff all taken apart so we can get this stuff taken to the paint shop, man. Just like that, guys, we got everything completely bust down. Everything is ready for paint. We literally just waiting on FedEx and we'll be on our way to the city. I think the Camaro might be done. If not, it'll most likely be done tomorrow, this weekend for sure. So hopefully when we drop this off, we'll be able to pick up our Camaro. Can't wait. Meanwhile, almost forgot our freaking outer fairing here. I'm like, something's missing. Okay, so we got this outer fairing with the bike a while ago. Now, I was looking at the freaking eBay and stuff, but all those outer fairings is like super pricey, and none of the tabs on here are broken, man. So I know Antonio will be able to get us right. No big deal for him. So we'll be using that. We should be good to go, man. I can't wait. Later on in the day here, guys, man, we went and picked up our Road Glide back from Harley. We got everything all checked out. Everything is good on there. We literally just got to throw our crash bar on there, and it's A-okay. So can't wait to get that thing together. Waiting on FedEx to pull up with this inner, and then we'll be getting that thing situated, man. But y'all see it here first, man. Next morning here, we about to go drop off our parts to Antonio. Our interferent finally came, like, literally late last night. Meanwhile, when we picked up our Road Glide here from Harley, they hooked us up with a special Harley Davidson gift. I guess when you spend X amount of dollars there, you know, they hook you up. So let's check this out. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. We got a wooden box. Says Red Rock, Harley Davidson, Las Vegas. Let's see what's in here really quick. So it's a wooden box. You pop it open. Looks like like a tequila glass or something like that. Transfer a lot of like alcohol over into this one. It'll be pretty cool, I guess. But, you know, Harley hooked us up with a wooden box. I think the wooden box itself is better than the glass because, you know, I don't really drink, so pretty cool little gift. But it's time to load this car up, man. Just pulled up to Antonio. I don't know where he at, but this thing is wet. Ooh. It's looking good. It's looking good. Looking real good, man. Oh, this thing look crazy. This thing is wet. Yeah, this thing definitely look cold. Yes, sir. I'm digging it. Y'all see the little on there? Now, if y'all haven't noticed, man, this thing definitely matches up with our same color scheme and everything. I got the rims for it, so I can't wait to throw them things on, man. This thing is looking great. Antonio, the man of the hour. Got this thing looking sick, man. Looks good. It's good, huh? And you got a new haircut. Antonio get money. It looks good, Antonio. No more hail damage. Looks really good. No dents or dings. You did a good job, man. Good job. Got the black on the sides. Look good. Ooh, and the door jambs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look real good. Looks nice. Yep. Yeah, it looks good. You did a good job. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. What did you guys think about the video today? We got that Road Glide all bust down, got the spiders taken care of and everything, man. I wanted to call this thing Black Widow, but when I got to the paint shop, man, I was just feeling a little different color, man. So can't wait to see that thing on the bike, man. So you guys stay tuned. It's gonna be done in a few days, man. Y'all know Antonio gets down. Can't wait to see how this thing is coming out, man. You guys know my style. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't entered a giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide Special or my 2014 Road King here, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Cop you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We have literally just about 100 hats left, and we should be giving away this thing and delivering it by or before Christmas. So if you guys want to enter for a Harley Davidson, a nice looking one at that, for the price of $100, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Cop you the burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. All hats will be shipped out when the giveaway is complete and sold out. So I can't wait. And let me know in the comments below, man, where these bikes are headed, man. We got our Road King and our Road Glide, man, both running crazy good, feeling good and looking good, man. One of these can be yours. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We also went to go pick up our Camaro today, but I can't show you that just yet until we get our rims, man. So once the rims get on there, you guys will see the color and everything, and it won't be no more black and white video, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.